Okay guys, what do you make up of that video? Don't you like it? It's nice, right? Okay, it took me 4 hours, 4 good hours to put together that video you just watched. But the same video I am going to be showing you how you can create the same video within 6 hours in your own house, in your office, with your own free time, just with your phone and CapCut app. I will put you through how you can create this magic effect on your own shoe transition magic effect. You just create it under 6 hours. So stick with me as I put you through step by step, precept upon precept, how you can grade this video in your own accord. But before I do that, hit the comment below and type "put me through." Then I am going to put you through on how you will grade this video. Follow me.
He shot you.
Okay guys, the truth of the matter is the way you record your video matters a lot. All right, so if you don't record your video well, there is no way you are going to achieve results. So stay tuned. Let me show you how to record this video so that when you get to CapCut app, you'll be able to create your video with ease. All right, so follow me as I put you through step by step, precept upon precept, how you can record this video. Remember, like I said before, if you don't record this video well, you cannot achieve any result. That is why I'm going to be showing you how to record this video so that when you get to CapCut app, you'll find everything easy. But before then, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, what I mean is that today is your first time you are coming across our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right.
Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use landscape mode. After that, you walk into the scene. Look at what I am doing. Walk in gradually, majestically. Do as if you want to pick something, then you feel shock. You can point to the camera and do as if you are pointing to something. Then after some few seconds, then you do as if you are following something. Then you walk out from the scene. Then you go and pick your shoe now. Then you come back. Position your shoe at that the same point. If you don't know what to do, place something there or mark something on the ground. So position your shoe, go to one side or one end of the camera now. Look at it. Then you can now start drawing this shoe. First of all, remember, you bend down, draw it. Remember, you acted something where you are pointing to the camera, so you give some little gap. Then after that, you can now gradually draw the shoe out from the scene completely. Okay,
Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
Click on CapCut, new project guys. Import your video to workspace. Okay, then locate that volume sign. You click it as we silence the volume. At this point, we need an empty background for this video, so you click this place now. Go and look for freeze. Locate freeze guys, look for freeze. Okay, look for freeze. Okay, then you are going to be freezing this part. Click this first part and delete it. Click this one and look for overlay. Go and look for overlay. Overlay this part and click the background. Then you drag it to the duration of your video. After dragging it guys, then we are going to be locating that shoe part. Go and look for the shoe part. All right, locate the shoe part. After you finish adding this part, then you are going to be clicking here now to make a split. Okay, you drag this part down, then click this shoe part and drag it to the beginning of the video. You come back and drag this one back, all right, so that you have a clearer view of what you are doing. Then you come back now. It is time to work on this shoe now. So go and locate the part where you started drawing the shoe. The part where you want to start drawing the shoe. Look at this part. We are going to be clicking it to make a split somewhere here. All right, before you start drawing the shoe, you click it here now. We are going to be making a split here. make a split, delete this first part, okay? Delete the first part. Then as you delete the first part, click this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you come back now, all right? Come back to from the beginning of the video. Look at that, your hand. We want to remove that your hand. We want to crop it out. That is why you are clicking here to go and look for mask, all right? So that we work on the video, so that we remove that your hand. Locate mask. Where is mask, guys? Go and look this mask. Where are you, guys? Go and look for mask, okay? And look at mask here. You click on mask, okay? Click on horizontal. Then you turn this line the other way around. Turn it the other way around. Look at it. That hand has gone out. Make sure your line is straight. Then you drag it. Drag it back. Look at that, your hand. Cover it now. So you cover it. You mark on this good here. You are going to be going back. All right. Look at it. That your hand is not visible again. Mark on that good. Then you go back. Go and locate the other one you drag back. Click it and bring it to the beginning of the video. As you bring it to the beginning now, we want to locate where we want it to start, okay? Locate where you want it to start. Click this place and make a split, all right? Delete this part. Delete this first part. Click on this very one now and drag it to the beginning of the video. Okay, guys, we have two ways on how to create this video. One of them is this pattern that I am showing you now, all right? We are still going to be coming back to complete the process of this very first one. But if you want to see the other part, which is the best way of creating this video, watch this video to the end. At the end part of this video, I am going to be showing you the second pattern, the other way around, on how to create this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end. But before we continue, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. What magic effect would you like us to create next? Drop them at the comment section. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, you are welcome back to this tutorial. So at this point now, we are going to be clicking on this very third layer and look for remove BG. Go and look for remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG now. Click on remove BG, auto removal. You click auto removal there, then you can now allow it to remove completely. As you can see that it is applying a size patient that allow it to remove completely, okay? Allow the BG to remove completely. Don't be in the haste. Now it has removed completely. You are going to be marking on this good here to go back, all right? So at this point now, you are going to do your necessary adjustments, all right? Because when you look at it, the shoe is going to be faster than the character, all right? That is why you are going to be coming down here to do your necessary adjustments so that you will get the exact thing. Look at it. I am doing my necessary adjustments, all right? So come down here and do your necessary adjustment so that it will play perfectly. You can see it that I'm still doing my adjustment because the shoe is faster than the character. Come down and do your necessary adjustment till the point where you are picking the shoe and the movement of the shoe is the so it remains small. Still adjust it a little bit so that you will get the exact thing you want. So at this point, play it. I think we have gotten it. Just play it. Let us see. Play it. Good. So at this point, it is good. We have gotten what we want. All right. So the next thing we are going to be doing here now is to go and mark out the unwanted parts of the video. So at this point, you locate the ending part of this video. Some of the layers are longer than each other, so we are going to be marking out the unwanted part. All right, so go to the ending part of the video. Let us mark out the ending part of the video. All right, just calm down. So at this point here, you can see some of them is longer, so we are going to be marking out the unwanted parts of it. So click here now. You are going to be making a split on the background. Click on the second layer, make a split as well. Delete this one, delete this one, delete the background as well. Then you can now play it from the beginning. So this video is ready, guys. All right, so what will be remaining here is for you to remember to add your sound effects and every other effect you want on this video, and after that you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video my number is there. All you need to do is just to DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. Then you click on export now, then you export this video to your gallery. Now this video I've installed in your gallery, guys. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, air your view, tell us your opinion about this video, and remember to tell us what magic effect you would like us to create next. Drop them at the comment section. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Don't forget to locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Remember, I promised to show you another pattern or another way on how to create this video for as many that is going to watch this video to the end. So at this point we are going to be hitting the ground running. So locate your CapCut app, then you click on CapCut, click on new project, import your video to workspace. All right, like we normally do. So at this point, this is your video. Then you locate where you want it to start from and make a split and delete this first part. Locate where you want it to end. That as immediately you walk out from the scene, you are going to be clicking here to make another split and delete that last part. Then you click on overlay here, add overlay, import the shoe to workspace. Look at the shoe, import it. Then you make it to fit the screen and position it where you want it to be. Then you are going to be clicking it now to go and look for remove BG like we did before. Click on remove BG. Instead of clicking on auto remover, click on custom removal. Then you can adjust your brush size. Then you click on brush, guys. Click on brush. Instead of click on brush, then you come and brush this shoe. Brush the shoe out. Instead of auto remover, use custom remover to come and brush this your shoe. All right, after brushing it, you allow it to remove completely. Now it has removed completely. You mark on the good and go back. Now you will agree with me that this method, this pattern is even more better than the first one. All right, so you do your necessary adjustments so that it will play together. All right, guys, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.